This is Bhavya from Do Little Tech, and today we'll be going through the attendance module of our ERP system. So first, let's quickly navigate to the attendance module. So this is where we can find the module, and we have several options under it. So first, let's explore the student attendance module. So for example, let's take class 1, section A. So here, as we can see, as soon as we selected a particular class, we get to see the data of all the students in that class, and as per the system, by default, all of the students are marked as present, and in case any of these students are absent, the teacher can simply click on the student and mark them as absent. Similarly, you can also mark that particular day as a holiday, and you could save the attendance. Next, moving on to the approved leave option. The approved leave option is useful for students who wish to take a leave. So you can similarly see all the approved requests over here and all the necessary details such as the student name, the class section, the date of applying the request for the leave, the tenure or the period of the leave, like from which date to which date are they on a leave, the status of the request. You can also check who had approved the leave, and in case the student is a hostler, then the hostel related data can also be found here, such as on which date and which time did the student check out, and after the leave is over, at what date and time the student checked back in. In the very first option of student attendance, we were supposed to create the attendance lists on a daily basis, and if we have those attendance lists with us, we would be able to see the data of the attendance on particular dates. So we could choose any date of that we wish to see and check who all were present or absent on that particular day. So since we have the option to record the attendance on a daily basis, we can also view them on a monthly or an yearly basis. And this is how it works. So as we have prepared the attendance lists, the system automatically calculates the total working days, excluding all the weekends or any festive holidays or public holidays, of course. And then the total working days month-wise are displayed over here. And similarly, when the data for all of these students are entered on a daily basis, you can also find the data over here, which the system automatically calculates. So we can look at the data for all the students simultaneously as to how many days they were present or absent, everything at once, and you can also save these records. Lastly, we have this new student attendance option, which is more useful for editing the attendance in bulk. So let's assume we need to change the settings or the data for all of the students at once. So we can do it from here, such as marking all of them present at once. So we can do it easily. This is very useful for scenarios like in case, let's assume there was a very heavy rain that happened and all students were supposed to leave at half day from the school. So this is how we can mark all of the students as half day and save the records. Plus, if any student wishes to leave half day due to any other issue, such as any medical reason or personal reason, then you can also mark that particular student as half day and record their entry time, exit time, total hours in any note if required.